Okay, I wasn't sure if I would stream this, but I have streamed every other instant of working on this game, so I decided to do the same thing here. I am too tired and it is a little too late for me to finish working on junctions, which is the next step. But I figured today what I could do is start to figure out how to use the music for as long as I feel like. Then, we'll see. So let me yeah, okay. Open up the manual here and make this a little bigger. Oh, it doesn't automatically rescale. All right, well, let's keep it original size. Oh, I need to fix this. Okay. Now, one thing I need to check is if you can actually hear this. I don't know how to use this thing at all. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, that did something. How do you play it? Oh, okay, so I think maybe you can draw the waveform. How do you play? Tilted saw. What does this mean? Oh, that did something. All right, maybe I should, well, because I want to make sure that this is actually audible on this stream. Okay, let's figure out how to even make a single sound. How do you do this? Math, audio. This doesn't tell me how to use the editor though. Oh, that's API. Common gotchas. Pico 8 numbers, one based. Sign. Huh, that's strange. I didn't know that. Sign 0 returns 1. Oh, that's also weird. Anyway, include blah blah blah, program structure, tables. I know how to write Lua, thanks. Sound effects and music. No. Here we go. Music editor. Music in Pico 8 is controlled by a sequence of patterns. Each pattern is a list of 4 numbers indicating which sound effects will be played on that channel. Playback flow can be controlled using the 3 buttons at the top right. These maybe? When a pattern has finished playing, oh man. Oh, these. Oh, okay. That looks like 3 buttons. When a pattern has finished playing, the next pattern is played unless there is no data left to play. A stop command is set on that pattern, the 3rd button. A loop back command is set, in which case the music player searches back for a pattern with a loop start command set, or returns to pattern 0 if none is found. When a loop pattern has sound effects with different speeds, the pattern finishes playing when the leftmost non-looping channel has finished playing. I don't know what that means. To select a range of patterns, click once on the first pattern in the pattern navigator, then shift click on the last pattern. Selected patterns can be copied and pasted with Control-C, Control-V. When pasted into another cartridge, the SFX that each pattern points to will also be pasted, possibly with a different index if it does not already exist. In addition to the built-in instruments, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It must be talking about that. Custom instruments can be defined using the first 8 sound effects. Use the toggle button to the right of the instruments to select an index, which will show up in the instrument channel as green instead of pink. Oh, okay, well, that looks green. I wonder if this has anything to do with so it's green. It's not green. When an SFX instrument note is played, it essentially triggers that SFX but alters the note's attributes. Pitch is added relative to C2, volume is multiplied, effects are applied on top of the SFX instrument's effects. Any filters that are on in the SFX instrument are enabled for that note. For example, a simple tremolo effect could be implemented by defining an instrument in SFX 0 that rapidly alternates between volume 5 and 2. When using this instrument to play a note, the volume can further be altered as usual via the volume channel, raising fade in and fade out. In this way, SFX switches can be used to control combinations of detailed changes. They're only re-triggered when the pitch changes. Oh man, this doesn't help at all. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I went... oh, wait a minute. This is the music editor. Also... okay, I started at the bottom. Okay. This is the music editor talking about, I don't know what that is. I need to know what this is. There are 64 SFX in a cartridge used for both sound and music. Each SFX, sound effect, I guess, has 32 notes, and each note has a frequency, an instrument, a volume, an effect. Each SFX also has these properties. A play speed, the number of ticks to play each note for. 1 is the fastest, 3 is 3 times as slow, etc. Loop, start, and end. This is the note index to loop back and to. Loop, start, and end. Looping is turned off when the start index is greater than the end index. So I'm left-clicking to increment, right-clicking to decrement. When only the first of the 2 numbers is used, and the second is 0, it is taken to mean the number of notes to be played. This is normally not needed for sound effects. You can just leave the remaining notes empty, but is useful for controlling music playback. There are 2 modes for editing, viewing a sound effects. Pitch mode, more suitable for sound effects, and tracker mode, more suitable for music. The mode can be changed using the top left buttons or using tab. Oh, that's cool. Pitch mode. Click and drag on the pitch area to set the frequency for each note using the currently selected instrument indicated by color. Hold shift to apply only the selected instrument. What does that mean? Oh, you can change the instrument without changing the pitch. That's cool. Hold Control to snap entered notes to the C minor pentatonic scale. Right click to grab the instrument of that note. Okay. Tracker mode. Each note shows frequency, octave, instrument volume, effect, and something else. To enter a note, use Q2 or ZS. I see. Okay. Hold shift when entering a note to transpose -1 octave up to +1 octave. So if I go here, Doesn't do anything. Oh, there we go. So if I hold shift, transposing plus 0. Transposing plus 7. Oh, I get it. So, what? No, that's not what I want. Alt F, that's not what I want. Shift, okay. Yeah, so when I do Shift Q, I think if I press D or E, it just puts in that note. If I do Shift W, I've now selected a transposing plus 2. So now if I hit Q, it didn't do anything. It's still the same. Oh, it is shifting the octave, maybe? Transposing plus 2. Hold shift when entering a note to transpose between, oh, I see. Hold shift when entering to transpose. So what if I select a whole bunch of these and I do shift E? Ah, there we go. This is transposing. So how do I do negative? Oh, there we go. That's down an octave. Okay. These are all the way at the bottom, the lowest pitch. Let's move these up a little bit. Also, I do want to know what the sound effects are doing. I have no clue what that means. Instrument, SFX 1, 2, 3, 4. Who knows? To delete a note, use backspace or set the volume to 0. Okay. Backspace. Oh, that actually just like deletes it. Or set the volume to 0. This is not doing anything. Why is this not doing anything? Click, and then shift-click to select arrange to copy and paste. Whoa, okay, so hitting enter shifts everything down. I don't understand. They say set the volume to 0. How do you do that? And if I hold shift, it sets everything. But I want to just set it for this note. If I go volume 0 and click, nothing happens? Minus plus to navigate. What does that do? Minus. Oh my goodness. Oh, I see. It goes through the number. Change this. Oh, space to play stop. Oh. Ah, okay, something happened. Alright. Now I can finally test if you can hear this or not. So let me mute the mic so I don't. Something happened. Alright. Now I can finally test if you can hear this or not. So let me mute the mic so I don't. Something happened. Alright. Now I can finally test if you can hear this or not. So let me mute the mic so I don't. Something happened. Alright. Now I can finally test if you can hear this or not. I think this is okay. Okay, I turned the mic back on. I could maybe turn it up a little bit. I think this is okay. Okay, I turned the mic back on. I could maybe turn it up a little bit. Yeah, there's like an echo because I'm capturing my computer's entire audio, so when I'm listening it back so I can hear it myself, it plays it back again. Anyway, I'll turn this up a little bit more because this is kind of quiet. Or maybe I just had the Pico 8 turned down in the volume mixer. Oh my goodness, Pico 8's turned way down in the volume mixer. That's probably why. Oh, that's loud. Okay, turn that down. Oh, that's loud. Okay, turn that down. Oh, that's loud. Okay, turn that down. All right, I finally got it figured out. I kind of had to screw with it a bit. I think the volume settings are good now. So let's try and understand what's happening here. So that's really fast. Oh, I can set the volume in here. How come I can't set it in here? That's so weird. Like, I kind of wish you could. Anyway, effects. Slide, vibrato, drop, rapidly drop the frequency, fade in, fade out, arpeggio fast, arpeggio slow. If the sound effect speeds less than 8 arpeggio speeds are halved, each sound effect has 5 filter switches that can be accessed while in tracker mode. Noise, generate pure white noise, applies only to instrument 6. Noise. Various alterations of the waveform make it sound more buzzy. Detunes a second voice to create a flange-like effect. Various second voice tunings, mostly up or down an octave. Apply an echo with a delay of 2 or 4 ticks. Low pass filter at 2 different levels. When buzz is used with instrument 6 and noise is off, pure brown noise is generated. Okay, I'm a little mystified, but I think we'll figure it out here. So I really wish I could just set individual volumes in here, or set, you know, like, say I want to change this, like, I can't for some reason. Like, I guess I could do that, then I don't know what note it is easily. It's like, I don't understand why I can't change this stuff in here. I think here I can shift down an octave. Oh, wait. I think maybe you have to select the whole thing for it to apply. No, it only works with the transposing. Okay, so for some reason sound effects 2 is not working. Don't ask me why. Yeah, this is not super helpful. I think I will see what the wiki has to say about it. Oh no, that's not what I want. Quite easy to use. Get out of here. Uh-oh. Oh, load up one of the demo songs and see what they did. That's not a bad idea. You can make up to 64 tracks of 32 notes in the fourth tab. Switch mode to tracker in the upper left. Then assemble those measures in the fifth tab into the 4 audio channels of the Pico 8. Left and right click are used a lot to increment the pattern number. Speed is the delay. It's for the most music. Okay. Oh, you can go even. Okay, let's set it to 16. And let's go. No, not there. Here. Let's just draw. Let's hold Control and do like a pentatonic. You know, which moves it here? You know, let's go kind of go crazy. Oh, that's awful. It's oh, I guess I could turn down my computer. Okay. Now looping. What does it mean to make this? Okay. So I got it to loop. The instrument is a little, you know, shift, set, all. Okay, well, I don't know what I expected, but... Ooh, that's nice. So what I would like to understand is what this instrument SFX7 means. What? Oh, wait a minute. Does this... let's try... Baffling. Sound effects 1. Oh my god, that's really shrill. So I think this is using this sound effect. That's kind of cool. That's kind of neat. So does this mean I'm now using... No. I think this is the length. Yeah. Okay, so now if I go back in here... It's really hard hard to tell. And apparently you can use SFX0. Oh my goodness. SFX2 is nothing. Yeah, I think it's using this waveform or something. Like, I really don't understand. A frequency, an instrument. Okay, so I think you can define your own instrument. Actually, I remember reading that somewhere. Oh, SFX. In addition to the 8 built-in instruments, why is it all the way down here? Custom instruments can be defined using the first 8 sound effects. Okay, now I know what this means. First time I read this, I was confused. Use the toggle button to the right of the instruments to select an index. Yeah, we did that. Which is what when an SFX instrument note is played, it essentially triggers that SFX, but alters the note's attributes. Pitch is added relative to C2. Not really sure what this means. Volume is multiplied. For example, a simple tremolo effect could be implemented by defining an instrument in SFX0 that rapidly alternates between volume 5 and 2. When using this instrument to play a note, the volume can further be altered as usual via the volume channel or using the fade in and out effects. In this way, SFX instruments can be used to control combinations of detailed changes in volume, pitch, and texture. SFX instruments are only re-triggered. SFX instruments are only re-triggered when the pitch changes or the previous note has 0 volume. This is useful for instruments that change more slowly over time. For example, a bell that gradually fades out. To invert this behavior, effect 3, normally drop, can be used when triggering the note. I do not understand. What do you mean re-triggered? What do you mean the pitch changes? I don't get it. Let's try setting everything the same pitch here. We'll make it noise. That's not noise. Oh, organ. I want noise. Okay, that's noise, if I ever heard it. Interesting. So what if I make that faster? If I go in here and make it slower. Oh. Now, okay, I think I finally understand. So it basically means, all right. Pitch is at a relative to C2. I see. So if I go in here and set everything to the lowest pitch, I think I can do like this. Yeah, so everything's now the lowest pitch. So now I don't add any pitch. So if I go in here, let me do something that's a little bit easier to hear, like maybe and okay. Let's make the speed a little faster. Not that fast. Okay. now if I go in here, set the speed to as high as it'll go. It's only re-triggered when the pitch changes. I'm finally starting to understand here. Okay, so it plays it as is. I'm starting to get it. So this is C2, so it doesn't change anything in the pitch, right? Oh, wait. When an SFX instrument note is played, it essentially triggers that SFX, but alters the note's attributes. Pitch is added relative to C2. So, oh, relative to C2. Wait. This is C0. So actually, hold on. Let me go in here. Just set everything. So that puts it down an octave. Where's the other C? That is C2, C, D. This is C1. I want C2. Okay, so this wouldn't change the pitch at all. So let's do... I'm just hitting random notes here. How high can you make the speed? Okay, I get it. I get it. So if I do this, it cuts it off. But here, if I put a bunch of E's in a row, it won't re-trigger it. I get it. Cool. Except none of this is what I want. You know. Just get out of here. Okay. Let's set the speed to 16 according to that person's recommendation. And let's clear all this crap and go back. Okay, so let's not use 0 through 8 to define music. 0 through 7, so that we can use them as instruments. So let's start by putting our music here. Now we have 32 notes to play with, or fewer, depending on what we want. And we have 64 of these SFXs, so that doesn't give us a whole heck of a lot of notes to work with, especially if we want to have multiple things playing at once. No, it's not that bad. Let's try just for fun here. See if we can pull this off. The first couple of ours. Is the famous piano piece? Yes, it is famous. Suite d'Argamasque, Clair de Lune. I don't want the music. Give me the music. MP3. Get out of here. PDF. Complete score. PDF. This probably has a gazillion. Yeah, gazillion downloads. Although one of these, I think it might be this one, is really nice. I heard it by. Oh, I forget that guy's name. He's that famous. No, I can't remember. Anyway, let's see if we can pull this off. craft of scientific writing. Yeah, isn't that nice? Come on, just show me the file. Da-da-da-da-da. And I think I want to put this in maybe a triangle wave. Now, one thing that I really don't like is that you can't, like, let's say I put down a C. Oh, well, that's not a C. I pressed C on the keyboard, but it gave me an E1. Let's say I go in here and I think, like, so this is the octave. What is this, the volume? No. That's the volume. Sound effect, maybe? Nope. Okay, get out of here. Oh, instrument. Duh. Okay, yeah. That's the instrument. But I can't change the instrument after I place it. Or I can't change the volume after I mean, I can change the volume in here if I do this, right? But like I can't add an effect to it. Shift, set all, but that sets it for everything in the whole thing. Like that is dumb. So you have limited opportunities to edit a note that's already placed. Oh, is this done? Come on, show it to me. All right. Let's see if we can do this. So we can't play two notes at once, but we'll do this with 8 and 9. How many voices do we need? 4? Let's try and do it with 4 voices. Okay, let's just see if we can pull that off. So this is going to be F, C, D, E, F. That's too high. I think I want the one octave lower. Now, each note is going to be, oh man, how are we going to do the tuplets? That's kind of awkward. What does clicking octave 3 do? Oh. Fascinating. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to do the tuplets. Maybe I should pick something easier. Well, it's a 9/8, so maybe what we'll do is we'll go up to 27, 2, 3. Okay, let's just try this. So every note will be an 8th note, and we will just fake it for the tuplets. Yeah, so this should be F. This should be nothing. Ah, come on, man. Oh, there we go. Okay, you just hit enter. So this F is held for a while. Oops. Then it goes up to a G natural. Wait, battle lands and down goes. Okay, yeah. The F is not flat. I think this... come on, give me a break, okay? The G natural for 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then back to F for 9. And the length, whoops, the length here is going to be 27. Speed is too slow, way too slow. Too slow. Oh wait, no. What am I talking about? I'm not doing the upper melody here. So So a little too fast. Oops, wrong way. Maybe 24. A little too fast. Oh no, that made it faster. That's pretty close. We'll do a little slower. Yeah, that's all right. That's all right. Let's make it a clean 32. Why not? Okay, so that is the bottom note. Let's do the note above it. So let's do speed 32. Go in here. So we need an A flat now. Okay, fine. G sharp. Have it your way. So actually, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But then we play it again. Maybe we need to fade in for this. Slide. How come I can't change it? And this sucks. Oh, you can just type the number. Oh my goodness. Okay, that changes things. So okay, so that doesn't work. Okay, good. Okay, we can do this. We can actually just change the number. We can type the number. That, thank goodness. Thank goodness. Okay, drop. What does drop do? I mean, I can guess, but okay. What if we? All right. ARP fast. No, we definitely don't want that. All right, let's try fade in, which is 4, and then here I'll go back to nothing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what does this dampen? What does that do? It's not even visible. Oh, it just applies to the whole sound effect. We definitely want reverb, but anyway. Interesting. Okay, well, let's just leave it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This should actually be here. This should be that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this needs to come in. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This might sound a little weird. Oh, now we got to figure this out. And a pattern has finished playing. So pattern. How many patterns do we have? Might have been faster to do it like this. Oh, geez, we got 64 patterns? Wait, how many sound effects do we have? Yeah, we got 64. Ooh, that did something. Ah, that did something. Oh, and scrolling did something. Okay. Oh, that's awful. Oh, wait, no, I know why. It's because this, can I edit it in here? You can edit it in here. Oh, but wasn't this a natural? Oh, it's an A, I think it's a G flat and an A natural. Yeah, I'm always bad at reading accidentals for whatever reason, so yeah. So this should be G flat, which I think is, wait, battle ends and down go. No, it is just G natural. So I had it right the first time. No, not that. Not that. That. But this is an A natural. It's G natural and A natural. So A flat. Oh, I don't need this slide. Hey. Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of this now. And then back to A flat. That doesn't sound right. F, A flat, G, A natural, F, A flat. I mean, I think this is right, but that definitely is right. That doesn't sound right. Well, let's just leave it and try to put in the melody and see if it fixes anything. So this is an octave higher than that. I really got to think about this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and now to a D flat, D flat. Right? Battle ends and down goes, yeah. E flat, and then the D flat carries on for another 8th note. Da, da, da. So now we need C, battle ends and down goes with C natural. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Da, 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 da. So now we need a B flat, which I think is close. B flat. Wrong octave though. Oh no, that's the right octave, yeah. Okay, that lines up. So now we need to go in here and set the length to 27. I don't know what happens if you have multiple. Yeah, anyway. Oh. I need to set the speed. I think I'm just using 32, right? Yeah. Okay, something is definitely not right. Something is not right here. What have I done? Oh, well, I guess I don't have the top note. So I'll put that in and hope it helps. So this needs to be an A flat, which is maybe this. No. there we go. 1, 2, 3, going down to an F. 1, 2, 3, 1, E flat. 1, D flat, E, D. Now we need to fake it. Yeah, we're just gonna fake it. So we'll do this for 2 beats, then we'll do the F for 2 beats. This is gonna not sound right, but back to here for 2 beats. And now we'll go in here, set the length to 27, set the speed to 32. Yeah, the rhythm is all wrong here, but I mean, there's probably a clever way to deal with that. But I don't know. I don't know what it would be. I don't know what it would be. Also, it's a little too fast, don't you think? So let's make it 40, see what that does for us. Oops. I feel like this is not 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maybe if I make it a little slower. Let's try 40. Well, get out of here. Let's try 44. Man, that's so disappointing. This right here, but there's nothing we can really do about it. So, well, that's not true, but it would be really silly. What we could do is we could actually make the speed twice as fast, or no, we would basically it would come down to finding the lowest common denominator of all these rhythms. I would basically need to write it as if it was in, let me think about this. I think I could get away with 12, 8. No, it needs to be a multiple of, it needs to be a multiple of, the lowest common multiple of 6 and 9, which is 12. Actually, I think I could do it with 12, right? No. The lowest common multiple of 6 and 9 is not 12. It's 18. What am I talking about? So I would basically, need double the space. Another option might be, I don't know. It's kind of tough, actually. Maybe there's a way I could use the sound effect as an instrument to be a tuplet. Let's try that. Let's just try it for the hell of it. So if I divide this into 2, yeah, okay, I think maybe we can do this. So the pitch is added relative to C2. So if I draw, okay, let me think about this. If I go in here to instrument 0, and I make the speed twice as fast, I think I'm using, oh no, twice as fast would be half the number. I think I'm using 44 right now. Yeah. So if I go in here and I do oh, but I would have to do that for every interval where there's a tuplet. That no, I don't think this is a good solution. Yeah, maybe I should pick something. Oh yeah, and look, I mean, I'm screwed any. You know what? Actually, wait a second. If every eighth note gets one tick, and we have to do 16th notes, then I have to subdivide it into 18 anyway, don't I? Right? There's no choice, right? So why don't we do that? And that way we can do the tuplets properly. Fine. I'll just rewrite it all. I don't think there's a shortcut here. I think I just need to do it. So bear with me. So too high. Perfect. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and with that one makes 9, 8, 16, 17, 18. Okay, yeah, that makes 19. Now we have a G. We need this for 18. Oh, it doesn't fit. This sucks. I mean, there's no choice. We just have to do it. There's no choice. Is there even enough space for all these bars? Even if I only do, if I did 4 voices, I may actually reduce it to 3 or even 2 voices to save some space. And some of these bars we might be able to get away with just 2 voices. Like for example, for these bars I don't have to like sustain this note down here. Anyway, so how many bars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 6, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're at 53, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if every bar takes up like 1.5 sound effects, or like 1 sound effect in like a quarter or something, like there's no way, unless there's repeats, but I really don't think there's all too many repeats in this piece. Yeah, I don't think this is going to work. Not with, I mean, well, actually though, there may be some absolutely insane way to do this by doing it with the code instead of with the sound editor, or like some combination of both. Where did I see that? Math. Play sound effects N on channel blah from note offset for length notes. Like I could do crazy things like dedicate part of the map or even all of the map in the cartridge, because I could allow the user to save their data in like a dummy cartridge off to the side. But like all these like sound effects, they are in memory, so you can edit them on the fly. I see. Okay. Well, now at least I know what I'm doing. Let's pick a song. What time is it? Ooh, 11:45. Well, been on for an hour. Let's pick a song and start working on it. There's no way I'll finish anything. What would be, I mean, I was originally thinking of doing something for the Django Mahjong OST, but that would require me not only to, like, code it in, but it would require me also to, like, transcribe it by ear, which I can do, but I'm really slow at it, and it takes a lot of trial and error. So it would be best if it was something I could find sheet music for. And even so, it should be something that loops well. And can be played with 4 voices. I'm thinking. Or I could steal something from another game's soundtrack. Oh, actually, I just had a thought. This is actually something I would have liked to do anyway. Probably find a neat bonobo song to do. What would be a good bonobo song? Yeah, that could work. Oh, dude, I love Stay the Same. Wouldn't necessarily be good for background music to a coding editor, though. What about... Oh, wait a minute. I just realized something. I'm being dumb here. I'm going to have to hear it in order to transcribe it. But if it's playing on a stream, YouTube is going to slap me over the wrist. So I will have to figure out how to, in OBS, only capture from a particular window. Here, just for your amusement, let me show you. You can't capture the OBS window? Well, too bad then, I guess. Nope, I broke that somehow. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can edit the window capture to capture sound. Oh, wait, maybe the window capture already captures sound. No, it doesn't, because I don't see it in the audio mixer. All right, let me get rid of this audio output capture so I don't accidentally get myself copyright stricken. I was just checking. Okay. Now, how does one audio input capture, audio output capture? Oh, maybe I can edit the audio output capture. No, can't pick a window. Display. Oh, game capture. Maybe that would work. Media source. Let's try game capture. Mode capture specific window. Pico 8. Yeah. But I still don't see it in the mixer. Oh, okay, so now you're seeing Pico 8 in here twice. Let's get rid of this window capture and center this. Center to screen. I somehow broke my window capture. Don't ask me how. Get over here. Let me fix my window capture. Come on. Why did this break? Oh, here we go. I think because the tab name changed. Now for this game capture, oh, you really, advanced audio properties. No, that's not what I want. And yeah, this game capture is not capturing sound. At least I don't think it is. Oh, wait, what am I doing? I could just Google this damn thing, obviously. OBS capture sound in game only. Use Studio. 2016, get out of here. I don't think I want to screw around with this today. So, do you think I can do it just from memory? There's no way. There's no way. But let's pick a song anyway. Let me think here. Oh, Terrapin. That would be a good one. Not really for an editor though. Maybe the plug would be good. Oh, let me hear it. Not really a good choice for the editor. It's got to be a good one. Let me just try some of these other ones. Which song is this? Oh, yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, yeah. These are great songs, but none of them really fit the atmosphere I'm looking for. I think this is not going to work. Let me see what else. Good thing this is muted, or else cops will be busting down my door. Hands up, you're playing music for people to hear. God forbid. Anywho. What else would be good? Oh, actually, maybe, what's that song there? Change Down. That's not bad, but I need something a little bit more. I don't know how to explain. Oh, yeah, I know. You know what? Maybe let's try doing Cirrus. Maybe. Just remind myself how it sounds like before I try and do it. So we've got like a 4 on the floor in the background. Then we have okay, all right, let's see if we can figure out drum sounds. That'll be hard enough, I think. Drum sounds. How will we do drum sounds? Usually you do that with noise. I can use the noise for the hi-hats and maybe even like the false snare they got. All right, let's start by trying to do like a 4 on the floor. Or actually, I'm sure someone's already solved this problem before. Here is a pack to get you started making SFX. So try to full list. Where's the download? Show me the download. Oh, maybe there's a way I can. I think I need to do this. Okay, let's save this, and I think I need to do load. I think if I do this, hey! Now if I go into the sound effect, okay. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that sounds like Spelunky. Hey, these are pretty good. Lasers, guns, death, text, misc. Oh, wait. Oh, you can just play this? I don't hear anything. How come I can't hear anything? Did I guff up my computer sound? Am I supposed to be able to hear something right now? So I think there should be a list of stuff you've downloaded. Oh, how do I get rid of this in the favorites? Whoa, what is this? Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh, I remember. That's right. I was trying to make a parametric sketcher. Anyway, don't worry about that. Oh, wait. This is the thing I was reading the other day. I thought this was from 2021. Anyway. How do you remove stuff from favorites? Oh, like that. Okay. Now, should be... I have downloaded stuff before. Whoa. What is this? Whoa. That's neat. Are they, how are they drawing? I'm just kind of curious now. Yeah, just plain old P set, huh? Cool. Anywho, there's a place where downloaded carts go. For some reason I can't find them anymore. Just browse in here. Ah, here we go. So there, I can see them in my folder here. They are actually downloaded on my computer. I can't access them. What if I just do load? What is the name of that? SFX pack 0? It'll probably say cannot load. Future version. What? I don't think it re-downloaded it. goodness, I've got a lot of backups in here. C data. Don't know what that is. Oh, that's the static card data. I see. I think you need to add it to your favorites if you want it to stick around. Anyway, I've gotten so distracted here. Lafayette is using the noise wave and combinations of the fade in out effect. Find a playlist of Pico 8 track tutorials here. Let's see if we can just find a cart that has drum in the music. Lucky draw. Let's take a look at the featured. Kevin Thompson, I know that name. Let's see if we can. Any music? Whatever. No music, huh? There we go. I should have probably read it, huh? Okay, good. So we have some sound effects to play with here. This is probably the kick drum. Let's go in here. So this is just like some ambient noise, I guess. It just loops forever. Oh, that's neat, but by using slightly different speed, they get out of sync. That's kind of cool. This is using kind of like that sound effect. Yeah, sound effect instrument 1. Not really sure what this is. Okay. So one of these is the kick drum. Okay, and this gray one. This gray one, pattern 13, is what has the hi-hat in it. Oh, this is just plain old noise, isn't it? Instrument, which one is noise? Instrument 6. What's this? I seem to. Note 20. Yeah, this right here. So this here One of these is the kick drum. So this, what is this 3? Drop. So that makes a pretty good kick drum just by itself. Interesting. So yeah, just with the triangle wave, I think. So that's instrument 0, instrument 2 is this on. And then this is the noise, which he uses for the hi-hat. Oh, now this number 5, what is that? Fade out. So yeah, it's this combination of the, so if I were to get rid of this fade out, play it. With the fade out, it does make a interesting. What else do we have here for music? Wow, he's doing that with just a single SFX. Whoa, that's cool. Really cool. This has been a lot more helpful than I imagined. Okay. That's just the ambient. Okay, let's take a look at this. So yeah, with a drop. What is drop again according to the documentation? Drop. Rapidly drop the frequency to very low values. So this is an octave 1. So what if I get rid of this? So it goes. What if I put this up in octave 4? Just chirps it right down. Interesting. So that does make a... So let me listen to this again. Although, what I will do to try and prevent the cops from busting down my door is turn it down really low. And let me play some white noise at the same time, because I really don't want the auto tracker to get me. Makes for a good stream, huh? Okay. Yeah. If the AI can hear it through the noise, I'll be surprised. Okay. I am sorry that I made you listen to that, but I am not interested in fighting with YouTube. All right, now let's go back here to load imagine sim. There are unsaved changes. Yeah. So let's go in here. We'll give up on. Yeah, we're gonna give up on that. So let's just go in here. I'll go, you know, for fun. We'll leave them since I went to the trouble of making them. So what we learned here is that, okay. So for the 4 on the floor there, we can turn the speed like way up and just like have it be like 4 times higher than the next lowest thing. So how fast is the speed? So like, all right, let's just put in some random notes here. Like, so if I want each of these to be, so first of all, I want all of these to be 0. And let's put a drop on all of them. It's not fast enough. Okay, I got an idea. What if I go over here into sound effect 0, right? And all it's going to be is just the kick drum sound. So make this octave 1 with a drop on it. Let's try the different instruments just for the. Oh my goodness, that's gnarly. Also. Actually, come to think of it, what the heck is this loop? Like, how does that work? It's only re-triggered when the frequency changes, right? It's only re-triggered when the frequency changes, so. Make the speed lower. And the volume is a little high. No, get out of here. Sorry, I gotta put the white noise on again. So it's like tick, 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 tick. Whoops. Too fast. Way too slow. Actually, what if I... Is that the right speed? Sorry again. That's really close, actually. So So now what happens if I go in here to sound effect 12 and let me just erase all of this crap and I play sound effect 0. Oh, it'll get cut off as soon as I play another note. I get it. Now I get it. And the frequency is added relative to C2. So let's just put in C2, I guess. Also, why is it... Oh, it stretches it out too? Oh, that changes. This is the wrong instrument. No. But this transposing just doesn't do anything. Oh, no, I want sound effect 0. What am I doing? So it dies when the note dies. Yeah, I don't think I can use this as a trick there. Like I could keep it going. What if I delete it in the middle? What happens? Oops. Yeah, okay. Well, what we've learned is 8 ticks is like the exact right tempo. So, yeah. But it has to be... Oh, wait a minute. If I go in here into the pattern editor, how do you do this? I put in 0, and then as the second voice, this is going to sound awful, but let me just put in any other old thing. Yeah. Okay, so actually, yeah, so if this is playing on one of the channels, it'll just keep looping while I play whatever else I want, which is perfect. Yeah. What the heck is going on here? Did I mess up this? I did mess it up. Oh, because I was in the middle of editing it. Yeah, okay. I kind of want to just delete that. Is there an easy way to delete sound effects? Just get out of here. I don't want to, well, I may as well delete them. Delete. Oh, come on. How does one do this? I don't understand what clicking and dragging does, but just get out of here. Just go. I guess I could just delete everything. Just go. Get out of here. Don't want it. Go away. Get. Oh, that works, actually. Just put it back the way it was. Oh yeah, setting volume 0 for everything should work. So if I go in here, yeah, gone. Away with ye. Okay, good. So let's go back in here to loop 8, and it is, so at speed 8, so the speed here is going to control the length of the drum kick, which I think was fine the way it was. And I can't. What's going on? Oh, because the volume is 0. I think volume 3 is probably okay. And the loop. Oh no. It's actually pretty good. Okay, so now we need the ticka 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 ticka. So what I'm going to do for that is, but now we're using 2 drum channels. Well, let's just try and figure out the ticka 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 ticka. So again, I'm sorry about this. Okay, so let's experiment here with trying to make drum sounds. It's already 11:30. I'm gonna regret staying up this late, but whatever. So put on the noise. Let's try turn down the speed a little bit. The drop and the fade out don't really do anything for me. So I want ticka 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 ticka. So let's try doing a drop anyway. Just see. That's too fast. That's too slow? How is that possible? Now, what I would like to be able to do is, actually, I guess I could do it like this. So here, we'll put on pattern 8. Just let this loop. And here. So these should be a little quieter. So how do you make a, so we have a tucka tucka, and now we need a chicka tucka. Maybe if I try like an octave higher. Oh, actually that works, except it's a little loud. still a little loud. Which one's the volume? What was this? Volume, instrument. No, volume, oh no. This is octave. This is volume. Yeah, actually, that's not bad. Now, if we go in here, that's pretty good. So it's kind of sucks that I have to use up already 2 channels just to do this. So what if I, excuse me, copied SFX9, hey. So what I want to do is, let me just create a new pattern here. What pattern am I even editing right now? Pattern 1. Let's go pattern 2, and we'll just make it have sound effects 10. And let's edit this. So let's replace this with the kick. So that is instrument 0. Really doesn't work. It really doesn't work. Now, just a question here. I have this set to loop, but I have this set to length. Now, what happens if I set this to length? Even though I this length longer. So it's always the shorter of the 2. So if I make this length 8, which is what it was, and I go in here, oh, but this is length 8. Oh, but I changed, yeah, I see. I changed this to the loop. Okay. Now I need to make that like bell sound. That's not going to be easy, but let's see if we can do it. So let's go in here, go to sound effects 0. Oh, we're already using that. Sound effects 1. There was actually something in here that mentioned a bell. Bell that gradually fades out. Or the previous note has 0 volume. I don't understand. Sound effects are only re-triggered when the pitch changes or the previous note has 0 volume. I mean, I would consider a 0 volume note followed by a non-zero volume note, I guess I would consider that a pitch change, but they'd probably just put this to cover their bases. Anyway, change more slowly, so ding. Yeah, okay. So we probably want reverb for sure. Can I hear it if I plug it in? No. Let's just put this back and now, how does the pitch work again? I think if I draw all of this at C2, man, I have no idea how to do this. Let's just sample some of the sounds here first. Just like get out there. Come on. Just get out there. No. That might get me close actually. Let's see what this sounds like with the low pass filter. I have no idea what noise does. Also, let's make this all C2. This is kind of tough. The dampen definitely helps. Man, I really don't know how to give this a bell sound. Maybe if I like... We should have like a fast attack. And like a good sustain here, and like that maybe. Man, this is something that like so let's change the length here. And let's also but if I want it to last longer, yeah, no, let's not do that. Let's just keep trying to get this to sound right. What would be a good way to do this? I just don't know. No. But if I try something like this. I don't think this is working. I mean, I could do something crazy, like try to use it as... What does that even mean, to use, like... And what if I go crazy, like... Actually, maybe I could try to take inspiration from that other guy's cartridge there. So if I go load, go in here. Fascinating. What the heck does this mean? Oh, I get it. It's start playing at 0, then loop between 28 and 32. Oh, what instrument is this? Instrument 1, the tilted saw. That's like the fire flower. This is Tetris, the Tetris clear sound. This is not helpful. Well, I think we all know what that is. Yeah, that didn't help. It's kind of an art here. Kind of an art here to make... I mean, don't ask me, like, what it means to use your own self as a sound effect. I think it just means... I think if I replace this with a tilted saw, it'll sound exactly the same. Actually, maybe not. So first of all, I want these at C2, which I think is this. We can play with the pitch a little bit, but kind of want the opposite, actually. No. Alright, let's just try going in here and actually just drawing it out here. So we want sound effect 1. Man, I gotta find this pitch. I'm just doing this so I can hear it. Come on. I'm really bad at this. Actually, that might be pretty close. Okay, so we want. So we need 16th notes, and we know that the speed is like 8. So like, I don't really understand how the timing works necessarily, but this is set to a speed of 8, and this is a 1/4 note. So this is the space of 1/4 note. How does this make any sense? So like, if I need something at the resolution of a 16th, then all of my notes need to be 2 ticks long? Does that make sense? How long is each note? I think this means, oh no, I think this means each note is 8 ticks long. And the fact that I play it for 8 blahs means that a quarter note is 64 ticks long. So a 16th note is 16 ticks long. So if I set the speed to be 16, then every note will be a 16th note, I think. Right? I think that makes sense. So yes, we have a problem where the sound effect is not repeatable. So no. What does slide do? Let's try putting slide on it. I don't understand. Now, why is that? Shouldn't that be like? Shouldn't this be like? Shouldn't be replaying is what I'm getting at. So slide, vibrato, drop, fade in, fade out. Hard fast. Like, what does that even do? Like, oh wait, why is my volume all different here? Ah, that's why. That's why. But I do want it to slide. But slide doesn't work? Well, this isn't working. I just have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, I have an idea. What if I opened it in Audacity and looked at a spectrogram? Would that even help? Because I could see the frequencies involved and to a certain extent also the volume. Maybe I'm being too much of a perfectionist. Maybe it is just silly to try and create an instrument because, like, you know, this isn't PCM I'm doing here. Like, this is trying to, you know, I don't think this is gonna work. So let's forget about that. It needs to be a higher pitch. Okay, let's try for now. So if this is at speed 16, each of these is a 16th note. So we have like that. Whoops. Whoops. Hey, that's not bad. I don't think the pitch is right because I mean, it's probably never going to be right. I'm really bad at determining pitch from listening to music. Ooh, that's not bad like that, actually. Yeah, okay, I think this is going to work. So now if I go into this pattern here. Oh yeah. Let's put on. Hey, this is, you know what? I think we're getting somewhere. Hey, I think this is working. Do that 4 times. So I think what we can do to kind of artificially reduce the number of patterns we need, we can go in here so if I make that loop, this is just garbage. Just get out of here. Go. Okay. Where's my other guy? Oh, I see what happened. Let's do a little bit of management here. Sound effects. I don't think I'm going to use the sound effect instruments, so let's take this, put it there. This pattern 10 is not being used. Put that there. Just get out of here. So then if I just get rid of this there, but let's just put on a random dummy there. Well, we don't have to make it be random. What is this? This is nothing. Get out of here. Okay. Okay. So now we need that one. What interval is that? Is that an octave? Couldn't be. Well, let's try it and see what happens. Let's put it down an octave. Oh, speed is all wrong. So we have bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam. So actually, I think we can do this. No, like that. So let's go in here, edit pattern 2. To have 8, 9, and 11, just to get our bearings. Why is this so short? That shouldn't be so short. Why is that so short? Because this has a length set. Should be a loop. I don't think that's the right note, but I'm really bad at finding pitch. It's just something I'm bad at. What can I do? Anyway. 1, 2, 3. So somewhere around here. So this has a loop of probably it's going to be 32. Yeah. No. This has to be around here somewhere. I think it's up a fifth? It's really hard to tell. I really just don't know. So, 1, 2, so 1, 2, and 3. I think. Despite the fact that my instinct tells me it should be here, my counting tells me it should be 4 and 1 and 2. Oh, maybe that is right. Although starting. Maybe let's try and make this fade out a little more gradually, if we can. Yeah, wow, that worked out pretty good. In fact, oh, no, not that. Ah, no. Yeah, so this has no effect. But this needs to fade out. Then here we have the I don't think we want to slide on this. Let's try the A. Just there's no way that's right. Maybe let's try the F. Sounds like it might be right. Also, I think we need some reverb, don't we? What the heck happened? What happened? Why did all my octaves change? Oh wait, they didn't change, I'm just crazy. Let's try F. One more. Actually, this doesn't fade out. Yeah, it just ends abruptly. Maybe we can kind of simulate that like this. No, not like that. Like this. Oh, not quite right. Also not quite right. Does it really start on the 8th? I think this really needs to go away. Why does this say C0? Oh, because of the slide. Oh, because I forgot to delete this note. Ah, come on. Man, this is really hard to use. I think it was better the first way I had it. Wait, why is that happening? Oh, because I have to fade out. No. Definitely not that one. No. No. It was fine the way it was. And what does it sound like? Sorry for the white noise. I have to. Oh my god, my pitch is completely wrong. It's just completely wrong. Down, down, down. Is that it? Could that possibly be it? This is really tough. I'm really bad at this. It's so wrong. Oh my god, it's so bad, it's so wrong. This is really tough. I think I can do this though. Honestly, the drums are pretty good. Though maybe a little loud. I can't make them any quieter, can I? Oh, I could. The bass is, or the bass, this can't go any quieter. I guess the noise channel is just loud no matter what you do. Oh, that helps a little bit actually. Oh my god, the counting is... Ah, it's so bad. I need to fix it or else it'll bother me. Then after I fix the rhythm on this, that's when I have to call it quits, despite the fact that I'd like to keep going. Yeah, my intuition was right. Like I was wanting to put it here, so my counting is wrong somehow. So. One, a two, and three, four. One, a two, one, a two, a four. Yeah, okay. So it starts like 1/16th note ahead of where I had it. Wait, what is this? And a two, and yeah. And a two, and yeah. All of this happens 1/16th note earlier, I think. Let's just try erasing that. What did I do? What have I done? Oh no, I wanted to erase this one. Oh. So okay, so this actually is starting a little too early, maybe. No, it's starting too late. What? It's this that starts too late. Maybe. Is that right? Sounds maybe a little better. Yep. Avoid the copyright strike. Well, what the heck? This note doesn't even exist. Where did I get that from? Oh, it's from that ding at the top there. No wonder. So let's just delete this F altogether. This is so bad. This is so bad. So bad. unbelievably bad. I'm really bad. But I'm nothing if not persistent. The pitch is wrong, the rhythm is wrong, the instruments are wrong, everything's wrong. The drums are right, actually, so at least I can pat myself on the back for that. So I think it's one one two and three a four and a four and yeah, I think that's all there is to it. And yeah, I think it's just this. And then just this repeated. Oh, I goofed this up. This needs to do that. Maybe this is here. I'm really grasping at straws. I mean, I can't figure this out. Why can't I figure this out? Man, oh man. This is really tough. I give up. I gotta give up for tonight. It's already like past midnight, I think. Yeah. I'm gonna be a zombie tomorrow.